Hello everyone, this is Simran Singh from Housey, and today I'm going to be revealing the project overview of Pearl Icon by Chandiwala Developers located in Pathanwadi, Malad East. As you can see, I'm standing at the actual location. Right over here is the sales office. So in this video, we are going to particularly be discussing about which is going to be coming on the upper floors. Right now, you can also have a look at the neighborhood, guys. So this is going to be the neighborhood of the project. This side will lead you to the Western Express Highway, and this is the actual tower right here. In this video, we are going to be covering the following points, which includes project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, pre-launch discounts, offers, and many more. But before moving ahead, let me also give you an introduction of Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you bottom rate pricing. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you inquire once, your number is shared with multiple brokers, which may lead to many calls. But now you don't have to worry because Housey is here where we connect you directly with the builders. So buy your dream home directly with the builders only on Housey. So guys, as you can see right now, I've entered the actual grand lobby. So right now we're standing in the actual lobby of the tower. You may have a look at the lobby. Talking about the project overview, this project is constructed on a land parcel of 0.75 acres, having single tower, ground plus 39 floors with configuration of 1 and 2 BHK. Talking about the connectivity of this project is located in Pathanwadi, Malad East with Dindoshi Metro Station at a distance of 3 minutes, Western Express Highway at a distance of 2 minutes, GMLR at a distance of 2 minutes, and Malad Railway Station at a distance of 10 minutes. We have school, colleges, hospitals all within a radius of 1 to 2 kilometers. Now coming to the amenities part, this project has 10 plus luxurious amenities which includes kids play area, swimming pool, gym, jogging track and many more. Before moving forward, I have a question to ask you. Are you also planning to buy a home in Mumbai? Then I have got a strong recommendation for you. Housey के Rights of Home Buyer series जरूर देखें. A lot of buyers are unaware of what their basic rights are. For example, you have booked a home, given a token amount to the builder, but now you want to cancel it off. So how much money can the builder legally deduct? Secondly, let's say after possession कोई भी construction या leakage related issue आता है, so what liability does the builder hold? We've made you understand all of these things in very easy and simple understandable language in this series. So before buying your home next time, go to this series. This series का link आपको ऊपर I button या नीचे description box में मिल जाएगा. Talking about carpet area, this project has two configuration, 1 and 2 BHK with 1 BHK ranging from 483 square feet to 496 square feet. And talking about 2 BHK, so it's going to be ranging from 579 square feet to 634 square feet. Now talking about the booking process, so their booking process is now open. Clients are requested to come and visit the site where our sales team will help you with the complete project details, will also help you with the actual flat and sample flat, will also help you with the payment and EMI schemes. And then if clients like the project, they can move ahead with the EOI amount. The EOI amount for this project for 1 BHK is going to be 1 lakh rupees and for 2 BHK is going to be 2 lakh rupees. So everyone, this was the project overview of Pearl Icon located in Malad East. To get more information about this amazing property, you need to download the e-brochure given below, and to know more about such amazing properties, also have a look at the I button. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.